Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make this cute seal with Sushi Desk Buddy. As a side note, I make all my clay charms, keychains and desk buddies from a homemade clay known as cold porcelain clay. So without further ado, let's get to the video. I begin by rolling a piece of white clay first into a conical shape. I then use my finger to make the neck of the seal. I leave the side thicker for the head. I repeat the same on the other side as well. I then flatten the smaller side to make the tail. I also use the back end of my silicone tool to further add details to the tail. I roll out a piece of white clay, flatten it a bit and cut it in half to make the fins. I then stick the fins in place. I stick a small piece of white clay for the mouth and use a silicone clay tool to add details. Before sticking them in place, I make indents with my clay dotting tool. I use a little black chalk pastel to color the body of the seal. I then stick a little clay for the eyebrows of the seal. For the rice part of the sushi, I first begin by shaping some white clay into a rectangular blob shape to fit the back of the seal. I then begin by making each grain of rice by taking small white clay pieces and rolling them out between my fingers. This is a very time-consuming process. I sped up the process here. For the sushi part, I roll out some orange clay and then flatten it. I then cut the basic shape of the sushi. I use the side of my clay tool to make the texture on the side of the sushi. I'm I'm redoing this step here as some of the details got lost while sticking on the clay. I use a silicone clay tool to add more texture to the sushi. Here I apply the grains of rice using glue onto the white clay. I flatten a rolled up piece of black clay for the seaweed wrap. I then use the textured sides of my clay tool and some rolled up aluminium foil to add some details to the wrap. I use my clay tool to firmly stick everything in place. Off screen, I add some little circles and dots to the seal with acrylic paint. I also add a little golden dust over the seaweed wrap and glaze the whole thing. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos.